Do you want me to?
I did use it on my windows. It's not the best, but you can see what it's done on mine. It's not the greatest, but well, everyone use your. Yeah. C53. Come on.
Country life.
Oh, come on. Living. Yeah, got the S4 here. She's got that nice little water stream as well. Get your camera out, man.
Huh? Nah, fuck that shit.
Get the camera out, bro.
You see that big van coming, bro?
Don't worry about the van. Yeah, come on. Yeah, coming. Only you get the picture on the bridge, you push yo. Only you get to get the picture on the bridge. Yeah, got a nice little water stream, but yeah, van's coming now, so better get back to my car and start moving. places to take some pictures and stuff now, and then we probably find the proper driving roads a bit later. But obviously down there's quite a lot of people like visiting. There's a lot of obviously nice scenery down there, so a lot of people that are out just enjoying the views and stuff, which I don't blame them, because the views around here are just... The thing is, I don't know if the camera will pick up how good the views are around here, but yeah, there's some really nice views. A nice little lake as well. Beautiful around here, I can't lie. It's just nice to be out of London. But yeah, we'll probably take some pictures here. These are all lining up their cars now. But and then yeah, we'll probably go back, get some food, and then probably try to find the driving roads that everyone keeps talking about. I think it's going to be 866 or something like that. But yeah, we'll find out. So we'll do some pictures here, and then yeah, we'll be on the road. Few Ducatis as well. Jeez. Yeah, just pulled off to the seafront to try to take a few more pictures. We're gonna probably try and find another spot, take some more pictures, and probably a few video clips as well. And then hopefully find a little place to where we can actually open up the cars a little bit. There's a lot of narrow roads, and there's actually a lot of people on the roads, especially on the windy roads at the moment. So not surprised, decent weather, nice location, good views. So hopefully we can find a nice little driving road. We've done the main one that everyone does, I think, which is the A66 something pass. I can't remember what it's called, but it's a good road. But again, you've got the buses going down there, you've got cyclists, people walking, and whatever. So yeah, hopefully we can find a road. But yeah, we're just gonna make our way out now, and then so hopefully you can find some more roads.
Do 0 to 60, then I'll slow it down and we get next to each other, innit?
Yeah, just go when you're ready.
Yeah.
30, 60.
when you let off, you've done a 12.6 quarter mile.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
Where's Jake?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll blow you out with that.
Beep thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Nothing's planned. We're just literally just going, doing whatever we want to do. Just pulled up here. Just thought we'd do a little bits and pieces here, you know. So gonna go Tesco's, go and get some stuff to take back to the house. Probably chill for the night. But yeah, man, it's I'm not gonna lie, it's worth the trip coming up here, definitely. Especially if you like the views and some decent driving roads. But yeah, man. So yeah.
You say you want to get blown out again, bro?
By who, bro?
Me, innit? What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, I didn't even run you, did I?
Nah, no point, bro.
Huh?
Nah, no point.
What are you saying with George?
Yeah, fast, bro. Mad fast.
Can you beat him? No.
Yeah, it's 4.
We might have to do a little thing
I
here.
see
innit?
6 with up one, not that.
Nah, this thing, we'll do a little thing here, innit? Or something if you
Off
want.
the line for the first line.
What,
5
me and you?
seconds.
Oh, no, yeah, me and you, bro.
Yeah, we can do it, thing.
Alright, say no.
A minute.
Alright. Let me start this thing. So yeah, man, got back to the house now after a long day driving, doing up some views. As you probably can see, I'm absolutely tired. we got back a while ago after our little drives. Went inside, had some food, and just decided that we were going to go back